Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Backdrop CMS on CentOS 7. Backdrop CMS is a full-featured content management system that allows non-technical users to manage a wide variety of content. It can be used to create all kinds of websites, including blogs, image galleries, social networks, intranets, and more. The basic requirements is to have LAMP setup, that is Apache, MariaDB, and PHP. While installing MariaDB, create a database for your Backdrop CMS. Create user protected by a password. And install PHP with the version 7. While installing PHP, install it with the following modules. Now switch to your terminal and start downloading your Backdrop CMS. For that, go to its official website and get the latest stable version. Copy the link, paste it on your terminal, and download it using wget command. After downloading it, extract it in Apache root directory. Now move to your Apache root directory path. You can see a Backdrop directory. Next, provide owner permission and file execution permission. For your Apache root directory, followed by the subdirectory Backdrop. Now open your Apache configuration file. And edit the changes. Provide your fully qualified domain name in your server name. Before that, uncomment this. Next, enter your directory index details. And next, change this allow override none to allow override all. Save the settings. Finally, restart your Apache service. Now switch to your browser and enter your machine's IP address or your fully qualified domain name, followed by your Backdrop directory. Enter your domain name. Followed by your Backdrop directory. You can see your very first page. Here select your default language. And this is your database configuration. Enter your database credentials here. Your database name, followed by its user and password. Installing your Backdrop CMS. Once it got completed, configure your site settings, provide your site name followed by your admin credentials. Create an admin password. And select your default time zone. Continue. And this is your site. Here you can see several tabs such as contents, user accounts, appearance, functionality, and other settings related to your site. You can log out and log in as an admin. And thus we have installed Backdrop CMS on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.